Season 1, Episode 1, Caillou screams over the emergency alert system and gets grounded.
Hi, it's me, SpongeBob SquarePants, the meteorologist. The weather is severe rain with thunderstorms and a tornado. Thank you for observing the weather. Since my mom is at work, I wonder what is on the television.
The National Weather Service has issued a tornado warning.
Uh-oh, SpongeBob is gone.
Uh-oh, I hear someone screaming over the emergency alert system. I wonder who it is. What did you do?
For fuck's sake, I was watching SpongeBob SquarePants and this has happened. I screamed over the emergency alert system. Please ground me.
Yes, I can. Caillou. You are grounded forever. Go to your room.
Wah! Hi, it's me, Caillou. Well, I screamed over the emergency alert system, and my dad grounded me for no reason.
100 years later.
Hi guys, it's me, Caillou. I had a great time seeing you. I will get a new look in the next episode. I gotta go. Bye.
What a nightmare.
Caillou, I caught you.